Welcome to Brief Briefing, cryptocurrency news. Fighting bot claims will go live by the end of this month, which will be from the project Rebel Bots, ticker RBLS. Synthetics will execute their version 3 migration by the end of this month. Anyone holding synthetics should prepare for this event. Volcania will have new staking pools over in their brood labs by the end of this month. Magic Internet Money is having partnership announcements and ecosystem expansions with GMX. You can also do farming. Arc Network is now live as of today. Theo Protocol domains are now live on the Polygon chain. Consortium will be having their ecosystem update tomorrow, January 31st. Ticker CCD. 10th set will have updates on their token tax tomorrow. UMA will be having a Twitter Spaces in order to discuss things in regards to their developer DAO. Conflux Network, a very popular network among miners, will be having an AMA with Nucleon tomorrow. We will be discussing proof of stake. Storj, a competitor to Filecoin, will be having an open office AMA tomorrow, 12 p.m. ET time. The good thing about Storj is that in regards to hardware, it's not as picky as when you deploy with Filecoin. Casper Network Community Call will be taking place tomorrow, 1700 hours UTC time. Casper Protocol has been in the works for quite a while, so that's good to see. Pundi X will be running system upgrades tomorrow from 11 to 1400 hours PM GMT time. Hypercoin Chain will launch staking on the 1st of February. Cardstack will be having a discussion in regards to NFTs for those that would like to attend. There you go. OnChain, a blockchain that was popular, I would say, 5 years ago, will have a bridge node update by the 1st of February. SeedOn will be deploying their launchpad in testnet on the 2nd of February. Ticker SEON. Black Hat has a peculiar use case. It's a very interesting project, although they will be executing a token burn on the 15th of February. Shield Protocol will be doing their Optimism 2FA integration on the 21st of February. Optimism is a layer 2 scaling solution. What a layer 2 scaling solution is basically a it's in order to reduce gas fees on Ethereum, which um is quite hectic. Spectrum Finance will be having their IDO, and it's powered by Ergo Pad. So Ergo is another blockchain created in order to improve upon proof of work mechanism. Optimism will be having their public goods funding round on the 28th of February. So anyone interested in building on Optimism can go ahead and head on down there and see if the community will back you. Clever has been doing quite a bit, and they will have their Clever hedge fund deployed by the end of the first quarter. Also, Casper has completed their launch of their $25 million grant in order to incentivize developers and innovation on top of the Casper network. So anyone who would like to develop on Casper will have access to the developer portal by the end of the first quarter. Cult DAO will launch their mainnet by the end of the first quarter as well. That's a pretty interesting take on cryptocurrency. Iris Network will have NFTs on their mainnet by the end of the first quarter. Their goal is to make it interchain, meaning that if you have NFTs on Ethereum, you wish to port them onto IrisNet in order to sell on their marketplace, then that will be possible. Swissborg will deploy proof of liabilities by the 31st of March. Volcania will be providing ranking and search updates. They will provide technical updates as well in regards to their project. Bridge Network will do project integrations. Their Flu EDeFi pilot and will execute an African region sandbox all within the first quarter. Rebelbots should be going on mainnet likely by the end of the first quarter. It is a game that is going to focus on NFTs. So anyone wanting to participate on their test net, go ahead and give it a gander. Guild Guardians is another NFT centered game. Seems like the graphics are looking rather okay, but these days that does not matter. They will be releasing their game around the end of January, though they are hoping to get this done earlier. RadiaX, Babylon BetaNet is now live for anyone wanting to test out their decentralized finance toolkit. You can go ahead and have some fun there. Litecoin block halving is set for the 5th of August 2023, which will reduce the block reward from 12.5 Litecoin to 6.25. This has been Briefing. See you next time.